Hi, and welcome to another eDoc screencast tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import documents into eDoc. One of the basic tasks as an eDoc administrator is to populate eDoc with new documents. These new documents could be from a vendor, or from an outside contractor, or from someone within your company. No matter where they are from, it's easy to move documents into eDoc in 5 easy steps. First, you must place these documents into a folder that eDoc can access. If you haven't already, create an import folder in your workspace directory. This is where you will place your documents that you import into eDoc. Next, verify that a new document type exists in eDoc for the document you are importing. Open the New Doc Administration menu, then select View All New Doc Types. Look for the new document type that your document will be created under. If there isn't a new document type that applies to your document, then you will have to make one before you can continue. You must create a new record in eDoc for each document being imported. On the tabbed main menu, select Editor and New Doc. Select the new document type from the drop-down list. If multiple documents are being moved into eDoc, then check the Multiple Document Numbers box. Then click the New Document button to continue. Populate the blank fields to generate the next available file and document numbers, and enter the batch size if you are importing multiple documents. Populate the profile information. If there are multiple documents, this step is only performed once. Then click the Create Document button to complete this step. The document placeholders now appear in your workspace, where you can go back to each document to edit its profile as needed. Now that the placeholders have been created, you can import the electronic files into eDoc. To insert only one document, check the box next to the placeholder and select File Import from the Do Action list. To insert multiple documents, check the box next to each placeholder and select Batch Import from the Do Action list. After you have selected the files, click the Do Action button to open the Import File table. The top row of the table displays the path to the placeholder. The bottom row of the table displays the path to the documents being imported. If you are importing a single document, then the bottom row displays the complete file path where eDoc will go to look for the document. If you are importing multiple documents, then the bottom row displays the folder where all of the documents will be located. Multiple files must be in the import directory and must have the same names of the placeholders. You can use the Browse button to locate the files, or you can manually type in the path name. When you are finished, click the Import button to complete the process. Now you must check the new documents into eDoc. Return to your workspace, check the boxes next to each imported document and select Check In on the Do Action list. Then click the Do Action button. Fill in the document check-in form and click the Check In button to complete the process. When you are finished, you should go back to your import folder and delete the documents you just imported. That's all there is to it. So, the next time you need to import documents into eDoc, just follow these 5 easy steps. Place your documents into your import folder. Create a placeholder for each document. Import the documents into eDoc. Check in the documents, and empty your import folder. Now you know how to import documents into eDoc. We hope you found this lesson useful. If you've enjoyed the screencast, check out more of our tutorials on how to use eDoc. Thanks for watching.